Hello, it's Michael Gaffney, the American School of Flower Design. And I'm going to create a Chanel influenced design. Chanel, the house of fashion. I've got hydrangeas in different colors. I've got ivy, bales of ivy, stock, spray roses, lovely blush pink tulips, and a few assorted greens. And now I'm going to assemble it all into a Coco Chanel inspired piece. Look at the vase I found, even with the pearls. There you go. So stay tuned for Chanel in Bloom. Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101. Join us in class. Register online, flowerschool101.com. Enchanté.